ready to take your desserts to the next level with the easiest, most delicious holiday sauce ever. Today, I'm showing you how to make a simple eggnog caramel sauce. It's creamy, festive, and comes together in minutes with just 2 ingredients. Honestly, it's so good. You might find yourself sneaking spoonfuls straight from the bowl. I know I do, and I'm not even sorry. Do you have a favorite holiday sauce or dessert that's part of your family traditions? Maybe a recipe passed down for years, or a fun twist you've created. I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Let's share ideas and keep the holiday magic alive. I'm so glad you're here in my kitchen today. Let's make this season extra special, one festive recipe at a time. First, I pour a generous splash of eggnog into a medium bowl. I always use the good stuff, the rich, creamy, full-fat kind that tastes like Christmas in a cup. Eggnog is the perfect base for this sauce, giving it that festive flavor we all look forward to. Honestly, it's such a staple in my kitchen during the holidays that I always keep an extra carton around, whether it's for recipes or a quick glass while decorating the tree. Next, I add the caramel sauce. For this recipe, I stick to a good quality, store-bought caramel sauce to keep things quick and easy. But if you're feeling ambitious, go ahead and make your own. One year, I made a big jar of homemade caramel sauce, and I had to guard it like a treasure. My family couldn't stop sneaking spoonfuls when they thought I wasn't looking. The caramel adds that deep, buttery sweetness that pairs beautifully with the creamy spiced notes of the eggnog. Once both ingredients are in the bowl, I grab a whisk and mix it all together until the sauce is smooth, silky, and golden. Now, if you don't have a whisk, don't worry, just grab a fork. It works perfectly in a pinch. The key is to use quick, light motions as you stir, and you'll get the same smooth, velvety result. Watching it come together feels like pure holiday magic. It's quick, simple, and looks like something straight out of a bakery. And let's be honest, there's no shame in taste testing a spoonful or 2 before serving. Watching these 2 ingredients come together feels like pure holiday magic. The smooth, silky texture and golden color are almost too good to resist. And if you're anything like me, you'll probably taste test it a few times, strictly for quality control, of course. For the best storage and easiest drizzling, I always transfer the finished sauce into a small jar or pitcher. It not only makes serving a breeze, but also gives it that extra polished bakery style look, like you spent way more time on it than you actually did. Plus, storing it in a jar keeps it fresh and ready to use whenever you need a quick drizzle of holiday magic. Now, let me share a few ideas for using this sauce because it's way too good to stop at just one recipe. My go-to is drizzling it over pancakes or waffles, especially my eggnog pancakes. It's the ultimate holiday breakfast, but don't stop there. Here's a little tip. Swirl it into your morning coffee or hot chocolate for an instant holiday pick-me-up. It's like a coffee shop treat without the price tag. My husband loves it so much, he now asks me to fancy up his coffee whenever I make the sauce. For dessert, pour it over vanilla or cinnamon ice cream. It melts into the creamiest, most festive topping. It's also incredible, drizzled over warm bread pudding or pound cake. Perfect for those surprise holiday guests. And for the adults, try adding a splash to an eggnog martini or even a glass of bubbly. It's a little indulgent, but hey, it's the holidays. Why not? This eggnog caramel sauce is my secret weapon. Quick, easy, and packed with festive flavor, it can dress up breakfast, coffee, or dessert in seconds. And if you're looking for the perfect pairing, don't miss my eggnog pancakes recipe in the next video. Together, they'll make your holiday mornings extra special. So go ahead, make a batch, grab a spoon, I won't judge, and enjoy this little taste of holiday magic.